In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall AnyDesk in Windows 11 step by step, and I'll also show you how to remove any leftover files so it's fully gone from your computer. If you use AnyDesk and want to get rid of it completely, this guide will save you time and help make sure there aren't any hidden folders left behind. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure AnyDesk is completely closed. If the app is still running in the background, the uninstall process may not work properly, so go ahead and exit it fully before moving on. Next, open the control panel on your Windows 11 PC. You can search for it in the Start menu if needed. Once Control Panel is open, click on Programs. From there, select Uninstall a program. This will bring up a list of all installed programs on your computer. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. When you see it, click on it once to highlight it, and then click Uninstall. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the uninstall process. This removes the main AnyDesk application from Windows 11, but we're not done yet because sometimes leftover folders can remain on your system. To clean those up, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata% and then press Enter. This will open your AppData folder. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. If you see it, delete it. If it's not there, that's completely fine. Just move on to the next step. Now press Windows +R again. This time type %ProgramData% and press Enter. Once the folder opens, check again for an AnyDesk folder. If it exists, delete that folder as well. Removing these folders help make sure AnyDesk is fully uninstalled and doesn't leave behind unnecessary files on your PC. Finally, restart your computer. This refreshes your system and helps complete the cleanup process so everything is properly removed. And that's it. AnyDesk should now be uninstalled from Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step Windows guides.